Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Azure Front Door routing rules for multi-region performance step by step clearly. Log in to the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Front Door resource in your dashboard. Select the Front Door instance you wish to update. Click on the Routing Rules option in the left-hand menu. Identify the routing rule you want to modify. Click on the name of the selected routing rule. Review the existing configurations displayed on the settings page. Determine which settings need to be updated for multi-region performance. Adjust the name field if you want to rename the routing rule. In the Frontend Hosts section, select the appropriate frontend hosts for your regions. Scroll down to the Accepted Protocols section. Choose the protocols that will accommodate your multi-region setup. Next, find the Patterns to Match field. Input the specific patterns that will route traffic to respective regions. In the Backend Pool section, select the backend pools corresponding to the regional distribution. Review the priority setting to ensure it aligns with your traffic routing preferences. Adjust other parameters as necessary, such as caching and enabled status. Once you've made all the necessary updates, click the Save button. Wait for the notification indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. Monitor the changes under the Routing Rules section to ensure they reflect your updates. Finally, test the routing rules to verify multi-region performance is as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.